Okay, so what are you doing?
I am replacing the park brake module on this 50-inch
Toro Time Cutter
Toro Time Cutter
SS5000.
2015 model approximately.
And you already replaced what?
We replaced all the switches, all the safety switches, like the parking brake switches, the seat, the chair one. We replaced the PTO switch. We replaced the ignition switch. All this is brand new. The park brake module is brand new. We just got it in today.
You also replaced the solenoid?
Yeah, we replaced the solenoid because we think the other one went bad. Or maybe I shorted it out. I don't know. Let's see. What else? I mean, it is a 10-year-old machine, but yeah, we basically just replaced all the stuff that I'm pretty sure needs to be changed on a lot of lawnmowers, especially if they're like 10 years old. But
if it don't work, we're gonna have to go on to the next one.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna have to bypass the park brake module like I had it, and then go from there. Okay, so I'm confused. Where did this go? Did this go right there too? Or? Oh, okay, never mind. This goes to the battery, so that stays there. Okay, my bad. Sorry. False alarm. I thought I fucked up somewhere. I was like, wait, where does this one go? But no, okay. Everything's under control. Everything's good. So yeah, we're just putting everything back together, and
I'm gonna see if
cross
it works.
our fingers and hope it works.
Mm-hmm.
But given the fact that, like I said, we replaced pretty much everything on it, it should work. It should work as it should. This battery's actually backwards. Don't do that, or you will burn something out. I think negative goes first. Maybe positive. No, I think positive goes first.
We'll find out.
We're just gonna do it like this, and like I say, hope everything works. And you know what? I just need to do one more thing down at the bottom of this lawnmower, because we have to attach the brake levers.
Oh, you heard it?
Yes, it sounded nice. That's a good sound. I like that. But let's see. Cutting tool right here. And then we got these. Oh Lord, how did these end up down here? I was about to start it, and my pliers are down there.
Yeah, definitely don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. Make sure your tools are where they need to be, and not where you don't want them to be. Okay, so got this part. Levers right here, and these are easily how do you say it, installed by loosening that, I think it was like a 3/8 socket bolt or thingy majigger. You just unscrew it back from where it goes, which is right here. I just put them back on just because I didn't want to lose them, because I'm good at losing stuff. So now we just have to loosen that. I think 3/8. Yes, it's a 3/8. 3/8. Loosen it. Loosen this one. And loosen this one. Because like I said, this is where the park brake module things attached to right here. So we got this. And then we got this right here. That goes right here. Okay. And then you just kind of, I think, place it back on there and it'll align itself back how it goes, as long as everything's where it should be up there. So if everything's where it should be up there, then everything should line up down here just fine. Alright guys, moment of truth.
Bum, bum, bum.
We're gonna